Hello and welcome to Lots of Food and Barbecue. Let's smoke a wild hog ham. First off, you need to trim off eventual fat, not much fat on the lean meat of a wild hog. I'm seasoning with Weber smoky mesquite and some garlic powder. Then I let it rest for about an hour while the grill is getting up to temp. Today I'm going to be using my WSM 18-inch and I'm preparing it with charcoal briquettes and 2 pieces of apple wood, and I have 20 lit briquettes in the chimney. I've got sand in my water pan and it's wrapped in foil just to protect it a little bit. Once it's reached 225 or so, it's time to put the foil pan on the bottom grate, top grate on, and then the ham. I'm using my XR50 to monitor this, and I'm having one grate probe of course and one probe that goes into the thicker piece of the meat. Not sure how long this is gonna take, but anyway, I'll just monitor the temps. I've got more or less all day. So, probe in, lid on, top vent fully open, bottom vent halfway open. At 180 degrees, 4 hours in, this is what it looked like. I let it go. Okay, so I've got my zucchini fries today. I salted them on some paper for an hour, and then I wiped them off, added them to the eggs into the pork rind almond flour breading, just shook them up and placed them in the air fryer this time. Let's see if this works better. Full blast, 20 minutes, fingers crossed. Okay, so the roast has reached 199. It actually showed 198 there, but it was 199. So took it off, wrapped it in some foil and let it rest for about 15 minutes before unwrapping it and time to cut it up. Locate the grains and then cut across them to get a tender piece of meat. That is a quite nice smoke ring. It actually set even better before we served it. It looks a little bit dry, which it was as well, but I wanted to do a brisket style pork ham, and this is what you get when you do that. Anyway, it was really pull apart tender. Served with the salad and some of the fries, of course, some hot sauce mayo, and it was time for a taste test.
There we go, some wild hog outer side of the leg, or ham, or whatever you call it. It's a bit dry. I might have cooked it a little bit too long. Maybe I should have injected it because it's such a lean meat, but it tastes really nice. The apple wood works well with it. Now let's try the air fried zucchini fries. Definitely a lot crispier. These are much better. Yeah, I'm happy with this. I'm gonna enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.